Hi, everyone. This is probably going to be the last demonstration for this project. So what I'm going to do today is finish coloring in the fish and everything else inside the fishbowl. So if you look at what I'm doing with the scales, I'm taking red, for instance, and I'm putting my red in certain areas. Then I'm taking my orange, putting my orange in certain areas, and repeating. What is that called when we're repeating lines or shapes or colors over and over again? Correct, a pattern. So let's see. There's my green. Now maybe I'll do some blue right here. And my purple. Now I don't want to make the eyes purple because that's what I did for the skin. So I'm going to make the eye right here this light blue. I think I'm going to do yellow in the white of the eye. And then maybe I'll do green for the eyelid. For the lips, I'm going to do a dark purple to make the lips stand out. Oh, look at that tongue. Maybe for the tongue, I'll do this red or red violet. Here's brown for the eyebrows. See how the parts of the face are standing out now? See how nice that looks? And then the same thing with the belly and the fins. I'm going to put different colors, repeat them as a pattern. And patterns are going to make your picture really stand out and be colorful, just like Henri Matisse and his work. Now, let's pretend I have the fish all colored in. What I started to do with pencil is I made a ground line for my fishbowl. I started to make seaweed. Maybe I can put a starfish in here. So I could do a starfish. So that means I have to erase right here, that line. So it looks like a starfish inside here. And maybe I'll do coral. Coral is a type of plant life that looks like kind of like snakes, but curvy. And they're very colorful. So maybe I'll start coloring in my coral with some of these bright colors right here. So even the coral, I'm putting some patterns in there to make it look like it's standing out. Ooh, here's some sea green. And the little holes, I'm going to make purple right here. Now the ocean floor, maybe I can take my peach crayon and some brown or some dandelion. Dandelion's kind of like a gold. And I can start putting dandelion and peach mixed in here. Okay? For the seaweed is kind of like a plant. So I might want to take some greens and put some different greens in my seaweed. And look at how I can blend the seaweed, because blending is where it's at. Okay, final thing today. Once you get your seaweed colored in, your ground line, your coral, and your starfish, then we can start coloring in the background and make it look like water. So maybe I can start with this color, which looks like a turquoise or aqua. Aqua is a combination of blue and green. Okay, here's my light green. Look at how I blend the light green into the aqua. Look at how nice that looks. It's starting to look a lot like water. Then I'm going to take a regular blue that's a little bit darker. Ooh, I can blend the regular blue in with the light blue. And pretty soon, this whole fishbowl area here is going to be colored in. And all my water will be colored. Okay? So have fun, use a lot of colors, blend, and enjoy.